So right now we are collecting the plot and the times and the forces down at the bottom. We're going to do something like really different here. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to create a figure at the beginning of the thing. So we're going to create a plot, but not have anything in it. Okay. So then what we're basically going to say is I want to plot the times and the forces each time. So I'm going to create the figure, then I'm going to do this. I'm going to just say plot it, and I think I can just say draw now. So it'll update the figure with the plot each time it goes through. I think. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to hit go. Squishy, 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 squishy. You're not squishy. Oh, there's the squishy. That was a delayed squishy. Delayed squishy. Delayed squishy. Okay. Okay, I can see something happening. That was crazy. Okay, also because it was moving. Okay, maybe I need to reset this. Okay, so I'm going to set it up to where the axis is going to go from 0 to, I'm going to say 30 seconds eventually, but, and then from 0 to 5, because that's as high as it can go. All right, let me just see if that helps at all. Squishy, squishy, squish. 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 Okay, I'm not seeing all the squishies that I want, but, you know, it seems to be... Ah! Oh, that's because my thing came out. Did you know that if the thing's not connected, it doesn't work? Oh man, it has to be connected in both of them. You can't just connect one of them and not the other. You have to connect them both. Squishy, squishy. Why is the squishy, squishy, squish not working? Girl. Okay, let's try this. Maybe taped it together temporarily. Okay, so maybe I need to draw the axis here so that it keeps updating it. So let's try squishy, squish. Squishy, 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 squish. Squishy, squishy, squish. Squishy, squishy, squish. Oh my god, this is the most amazing thing I've ever done. Okay, this makes me so happy. I think I'm going to explode. Okay, I should add a X label to be time, and the Y label to be squish factor. I guess I should do more of this and actually know what that number means. And then title will be squishy, squishy, squish. Okay, that went from really not cool to super awesome very, very, very quickly. I think I'm just going to leave it at 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to run this. Squishy, 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 squish, squish, squish. Okay, now it would be really awesome if I knew what that meant. But for the purposes of what we're doing here, I got it to squish, and I got something in real life to interact with something in Matlab, and that's honestly just like the coolest thing ever. And if I really wanted to do official sciencey stuff, I could go and I could calibrate the sensor with known weights and then figure out how that's all related to the blah 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 blah. But right now, I'm just having fun squishing this stupid gummy bear on this stupid pressure sensor and having a good time.